Here I am at the Belfor Day, and these are all the brands, and this is their showroom. And the thing that's amazing is think about all of the equipment that is in this room that's not being used, only for display, so that when a potential franchise owner comes here for a discovery day, look at what they get to see. I mean, it's everything in action. They get to touch and feel it. They get to check out the trucks, the inside. They have brand new brands like this Safe Home Service, Z Plumbing. It's like a plumber on the road. Pants, oh my goodness. I just learned about this today. That's an amazing brand. You know, the companies that do the cleaning out the drains, that's their device. And then there's this one, Pack Out, and this is for when your house floods and they have to take everything out. That's what these guys do. They take it out, they clean it, they fix it. 1-800 water damage, well, you can only imagine what's going on with them these days. ChemDry, they've been around since 1972, and it was started with realizing that if you take club soda and you put it on a spot, it helps to clean it. Well, guess what? This brand was started with that in mind, and it's just grown exponentially. And then there's hoods. Who would have thought you could build a franchise cleaning hoods? It's a huge business. And then there's ducts. Well, you know, air quality is really important, and this is a great brand. Hope you enjoyed the little tour.